Hey everyone, today I'm diving into 3 superfoods that can help seniors wave goodbye to those annoying leg cramps. Let's get started. First up, eggs. Did you know eggs are a powerhouse of protein? Just one large egg packs in about 6 grams of protein, which is vital for muscle repair and maintenance. They also contain vitamin D, which helps in calcium absorption, essential for muscle function. Plus, vitamin B12 in eggs supports nerve health, reducing cramps and tingling. But remember, moderation is key. Up to 7 eggs a week should be fine unless advised otherwise by your doctor. Next, let's talk about bananas. These yellow wonders are loaded with potassium, a crucial electrolyte for muscle contractions and fluid balance. One medium banana gives you around 420 milligrams of potassium, about 12% of your daily needs. They also have magnesium to help with muscle relaxation and cramp prevention. Plus, bananas provide a good dose of vitamin B6, which supports your nervous system and reduces inflammation. Finally, let's munch on some nuts and seeds. Pumpkin seeds, almonds, and cashews are all excellent sources of magnesium. Just a serving of pumpkin seeds can meet 40% of your daily magnesium needs. These little powerhouses also contain healthy fats that combat inflammation and improve blood flow. But remember, portion control is essential due to their calorie density. Choose unsalted varieties to keep your sodium intake in check. And don't forget, staying hydrated is crucial. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily and consider coconut water for an extra electrolyte boost. So, there you have it. Adding these foods to your diet can make a world of difference in preventing leg cramps. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving.